Welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. Today I have got to plant the garlic, finally. I need to move the pea fence while the greenhouse squashed it all, as you can see. Removing all the dried peas to save for next spring. That'll be in a future video. Now that's all clear, I need to do some weeding. Ta-da! I just fixed that bit of border that was out. Put some weeds in the compost bin. Cast it off. So this is the garlic I harvested early this year that I planted last year. It's giant garlic. I have the big white ones and the big purple ones. The purple ones were actually a big garlic bulb I bought from Morrison's years ago, and I've just kept planting them. Replanting them every year. They're a really good size, and I've still got loads of garlic at home to last me all year. So that's one thing I am self-sufficient on, is garlic. I have some small ones I'm just going to take home to use, and the big ones I'm going to plant. And this is how big they are. They're quite bigger than the ones you buy normally in the shop. So one clove is like 2 or 3 cloves normally. And I've still got the others to do. And that's how big they are. The white ones are actually bigger than the purple ones this year, which is a surprise, because it's normally the purple ones are bigger. That's how they compare. You can hardly see here, but they are bigger. Just doing a quick plant. I've put my line out because I never plant in a straight line. Just using a stick to make the holes for the garlic. It's just easier this way. That's all the holes done, ready for the first lot of garlic. Now the next lot, the white garlic. I'm keeping Casper out this time. That was a bit small. Oops. Just putting the soil back over the holes with the stick because I'm lazy and I don't want to bend down. You gotta save your back after all. I am so glad I finally planted my garlic. I've done this back in November, which ended up being only one day out from when I planted them last year, which was strange because I never meant to do it like that. So that's the garlic for 2020 all planted. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye!